Want to tag someone on your Instagram story before or even after posting? Here's how. Open the Instagram app on your device. Swipe right to create a new story. Take a photo or video or choose one from your gallery. For this tutorial, I'll choose a photo, so click on the gallery icon in the bottom left. Scroll down and select the image from your gallery. Here, locate the AA text icon at the top of the screen and tap it. Click on the mention option that appears right above the keyboard. Type the username of the person you want to tag. The suggestion of the user should appear right after you enter the first letter. Look at the top right and tap Done to confirm. Drag the tag to place and adjust it anywhere on your story. You can also resize or change the color. When satisfied, tap Your Story to post it. And here's a great tip. If you forgot to mention someone, you can still do it after posting. Simply open your story, tap the three dots, More option, select Add Mentions, and choose the person you want to tag. Then tap Add. The person will receive a notification about tagging. And that's it. Subscribe for more easy Instagram tips.